Lumago ba talaga ang negosyo mo? Second branch na, pero mas pagod ka pa ngayon kesa noon. Does that sound familiar? If you already ask yourself, normal ba to? May couple din na nagtanong ng ganito. Let's call them si Rick at saka si Noreen. They run a construction services business, renovation and building projects for commercial and residential clients. From the outside, it looked like successful naman. 2 active project sites, mas maraming clients at malaki ang buwanang kita. Pero si Noreen, halos araw-araw niyang binibisita ang 2 sites kasi pag wala siya, ang clients hindi makakuha ng maayos na update. Si Rick naman, he never let anyone else handle supplier negotiations. No one else can do that the way I do, sabi niya. Kaya isang gabi, yung kanilang anak who helped in the business said something quietly that made them reflect. Ma, pa, kapag wala kayo sa isang site, parang walang nangyayari doon. Hindi alam ng mga tao natin kung ano ang gagawin nila. Nagulat si Rick at si Noreen and they sat with that for a long time. 2 project sites pero isang sistema pa rin. Nadagdagan ng trabaho pero hindi nadagdagan ang kakayahan ng team nilang tumayo ng mag-isa. Anak, ang lesson ay ito. Magbukas ka man ng 10 branch kung ikaw pa rin ang gumagawa ng lahat ng desisyon. Kapag wala ka, titigil rin ang business mo. Kasi ang tunay na sukatan ng negosyong handa ng lumago, hindi yung dami ng branches mo. It is whether your business can move, decide, and serve even when you are not there. Always remember, let's be business-minded, Pinoy. May team ka na, pero ikaw pa rin ang kailangan sa lahat. Anak, hindi yan team. That's just a group of people waiting for your next instruction. Team na Marunong is a 90-day guided program designed for business owners like you who already have a team pero gusto ng may structure, accountability at consistency na hindi ka na laging kailangan pumasok sa picture. Week by week, you will build a team that is stable, proactive, at saka self-driven. Kahit wala ka sa tabi nila, hindi mo kailangan ng bagong team. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang sistema para sa team na meron ka na. Enroll now, anak ha! The link is in the comment section.